community members themselves who are assisting police officers in terms of taking those goods and bringing them out here from their neighbors' homes. Now, I'm just going to walk with these police officers just to try and gain entry inside of one of these small passages. I mean, I think a lot of people would know from what we've shown them on ENCA about the passages, the small passages that you would find in Alexandra. So here are the community members assisting.
Ayva da şuttu şu milli gomdan böyle.
As you can see, the JMPD as well as other law enforcement officials are on the ground. Basically, they got intelligence about where the looted goods would be found, and community members have been assisting them basically, Badan, in terms of recovering those goods. So this is not the first vehicle that we're seeing from JMPD officials that is leaving Alexandra with those goods that were stolen. We understand also that some people have been arrested because they found